Now let's take a look at number 43, Amazing Grace. Notice how this one is in 3/4 times. So we're going to be 3 beats per measure. Here's the first bar line to the first full measure right here. So that means we have a pickup note here. And the beat of this pickup note is not going to be on beat 4. Because we have 3 beats per measure, the last beat of the measure is 3 in this instance. So we're actually going to count 1, 2 for free, and then we're actually going to go to beat 3. So when I would start this out, I would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and so on and so on. Okay, so watch out for that when you're playing. Next place, notice we had a tie, and remember before we had our ties like a smiley face? Now, because the note head is higher than the third line of the staff, then they put the smiley face and make it into a rainbow, and the tie is here. These are both D's. All right, and notice here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then attack beat 3. Now notice here, just like what we talked about before, when I have beat 3 here of a pickup note, beats 1 and 2 are only in the last measure because beat 3 was borrowed and it's going to go up here on the first measure. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide it up here to our tab as well. So we have our music, and again, because of the way I wrote the music, there is a half rest here, but traditionally it would just be beat 3. Let's play the notes first and then the chords. Now, again, like we've done before, look for patterns. I got a lot of open strings here. I got a 2, open 2, opens 2. Here's a 3 here with a D, another 3. And then we go on to the second line here, and a lot of opens and a lot of 2s. So other than this one note here, D, and this D, everything is either open string or 2. And that's a good thing to know as you play so it doesn't get tricky for you. All right, take a look at the chords: G, C, G, D7, G, C, G, D7, G. So you got a lot of same chords going on with G, C, and D7. Remember, however, that we're not going to strum it 4 times in the measure because we're in 3/4 time. It's only 3 strums if you're going with quarter notes, or we got a 3/4 type feel. All right, so let's play the notes first, and then we'll play the chords. Ready? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and you're in on beat 3 on your D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Two, 3, 1, 2, 3 is stop. All right, let's go ahead and do the chords. Now, because my first chord's a G and my next one's a C, I'm going to play my G chord with 2, 3 pinky. Works best for me. You choose the best way that works for you. Ready? And my G chord, my first one, is on the first full measure. I'm going to start playing it on beat 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3. And there you go. So it's a different feel playing in 3/4 than what it is in 4/4. So get used to that too. Have fun with this, practice it a lot, get it good, and I'll see you in the next one.